plane just crashed with the cook.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered.
It was the year 1966. But the rain didn't drip. Military clothes on his hip. Whew. Riding good, man. Good ride. Boy, time's short, but we out here, man. Thank goodness for the city. Thank goodness for the people. I see the leg. She got the leg out. Okay. Got the leg out. Oh, I love you. What's up, buddy? Ow. Ow. The booties. What God. Doesn't matter what you play now, sound boy. Alright. Slide one more time through there, let you get another peek, guys. To the champion. We're going, baby. Well, that's a. Shout out to the eateries over here. A lot of places to eat and drink. Alright. Popeye Gyro. Hey, baby. On my mind, reason. I see the hate in your blood, brother. You don't got to drink the haterade though. You do have a choice. You do have a choice. But you choose to. You don't have to. You just choose to, baby. What you taking a picture of over here? I don't know what he was taking a picture of. What's up, brother? All that shit. Some boy make me tell you this straight. Just on or none. Get up out of here. I see you over there, Pop. Get up out of there, brother. Get up out of there. All right, all right. All right, brother. All right, brother. Top G out here on the streets. Let it breathe. All the dog. What's up, little buddy? I see you over there. My man. Alright, buddy. I see you out here, brother. Little buddy. Don't be nervous. Alright, bro. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, brother. Said I'm a bad man, but I'm a bad man for who? Oh, my friends. I love all my friends. All right, all right. I got you, buddy. Got you, buddy. I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one. I just picked up something from BMW, baby. It's a one-on-one.
Blood money, that's how I got this. Blood money, that's
how I got this.
We can vacation wherever we want, cause I don't care what none of my options.
I'm here everywhere, baby. I don't care what the ops at. Inspections. County corrections. Question. Don't kick back my ops. Don't kick back. That's just a. I see you over there, brother. I see y'all. I just Mercedes is a one-on-one. I just, man, you see how it look out here? Beautiful. I ain't even get to the opening yet. Come on, bro. Don't act like you're scared now. You see me there. I seen you, Pete. One of y'all gonna give me something. Put the stunners on. Okay. I see you, Red. Post up for a second or two. Full RPM here, guys. Back with another legendary video. I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro, man, to one lucky winner, man or a woman. Man or a woman. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Somebody's gonna win 5,000 euro and this bad boy, bad girl, whatever you want to call it. But her name is Snow White. Because if a woman wins it, she's gonna say it's a guy. And if a guy wins it, he'll continue the legacy as it's a woman. Here it is. Silver metallic, purple, yellow, white, and black. One of one. One of one. You see it? I think it's gorgeous, man. I think it's gorgeous. The purple over here. The purple and black BMW logos. Akrapovic exhaust. M-forged wheels. Wherever you are in the world, man, enter to win it. Make sure this thing gets to you. Make sure to get to you, man. Gorgeous.